So, you want to remove a shadow from any object in Blender 2.9 Eevee. Well, the best way to do that is just to start trash talking the shadow so then it'll leave. That's what happened to Peter Pan and his shadow, and we all know how that turned out. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again taking a look at what I just said. Pretty much we're going to be hiding a shadow, which is very important for some specific scenes. So we're going to go ahead and hit Shift A and add in a mesh plane just really quickly so I can have something to show you that there's a shadow. I'm going to hit select the default cube and just move them up by hitting G, Z. Now you can see if we go to rendered viewport shading up at the top right hand corner, you can see that this cube does in fact have a shadow. Now let's say I want this cube not to have a shadow. So because maybe I want it to be like a hologram or something, you know what I mean? It's like emitting light. Why does it have a shadow? That doesn't make sense. So what we're going to do to fix that is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go to the object, the material tab here. As you can see, we have a nice material, whatever this material is, you can, whatever that is, does not matter. Down here in the settings, you can actually go down to shadow mode and change this from opaque to none. And as you can see, as soon as we do that, the shadow has now disappeared. We can turn on bloom and we have that nice hologram because holograms do not have shadows. Hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed it. It's super easy right there. Shadow mode, opaque, none. Super cool. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new today. Hope this helped you out. I definitely know that so many people have asked me how to hide shadows in the past, so this should definitely help some people out. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.